8th session on sublease. In this session, we are concentrating on additional problems on sublease. So let me look at this problem. Asha Limited works mineral under a lease from Mohan. So they work under a lease from Mohan. So means they took mine on lease basis from Mohan. So Mohan is main lessor, Asha is main lessee. The lessee, that is Asha, was for a period of, the lease is for a period of 20 years from 1st January 2011. Means the lease period is 20 years. The terms being royalty of 40 paise per ton of mineral rice subjected to a minimum rent of 2000 per year and right to recoup short working in first 4 years of lease. So this is what agreement between Asha and Mohan. So Asha took mine on lease basis from Mohan for 20 years. Royalty is 40 paise per ton of mineral rice subjected to a minimum rent of 2000. Asha can recover short working in first 4 years only in case if there is excess. Asha Limited granted a sublease to Prakash Limited one third of area for a period of 8 years from 1st January 2012. Means Asha took mine on lease basis on 1st January 2011 and they subleased it to Prakash Limited on 1st January 2012, not fully but partially. Minimum rent as particularly applicable to sublease contract is 750 per year, marching to royalty of 60 paise per ton of mineral rice with the right to recover short working during 2 years from the date of sublease. Sublease means from the date of sublease only 2 years they can recover. So this is all about lease contract and sublease contract. What's the output of Asha Limited and what is the output of Prakash Limited are given in the following table from 2011 to 2014 with regard to mines raised from Asha Limited, from 2012 to 2014 with regard to mine raised by Prakash Limited are given in the problem. So what we have to do is we have to pass entries in the books of Mohan. Mohan means main lessor, and also show the ledger account in the books of Prakash Limited. So means we have to prepare accounts in the books of sublessee. This is what main lessor we have to pass entries in the books of sublessee. We have to prepare necessary accounts. Let me go for preparation of royalty chart. So first year output is 2200, minimum rent is 2000. So as per main lease 40 paise per ton is what is that royalty? So 2200 into 4880. So next year 2400 is production of Asha Limited plus 1120 of Prakash Limited, totally 3520. That into 40 means 1408. Minimum rent is 2000. The very next year 3000 plus 1600, 4600 into 40% means into 40 paise 1840. So 2000 is minimum rent. Last year 3200 plus 1920. So into 40 2048 2000 is minimum rent. Once we finish up these 4 columns along with year column, so we have to concentrate first year. After completing first year, we should concentrate on next year, that is 12. The next year, that is 12. So means one after another we should complete now. So first year minimum rent is 2000, royalty is 880. So there is a short working of 1120. We can recoup it till 2014. So can carry forward to 1120. Amount payable is equal to minimum rent. Next year also situation is same. Short working is 592, that can be carried forward for 4 years, but we have data with regard to the problem till 2014. So till 2014 we can carry forward. So the total is last year's 1120, current year's 592, totally 1712. Amount payable is equal to minimum rent. Then third year 2013 short working is 160. So it can also be carried forward because the situation is same, minimum rent is less than the royalty. So 1872 is carried forward. So 2000 is amount payable which is equal to minimum rent. Last year there is excess royalty of 48. So this is the last year for recoupment of what is that short working, because as per main lease short working can be recouped for first 4 years. Fourth year is the last year. So short working recouped is equal to excess, that is 48. Excess is not enough to recoup entire short working of 1872. So remaining, that is 1872 minus 48, that is 1824, carried forward to profit and loss account, so that we are closing short working recoverable, short working account in the books of lesser. So amount payable is equal to minimum rent because excess is fully used to recoup short working. So this is how to prepare what is that, a royalty payable chart, means royalty chart relating to main lease. Then royalty chart relating to sublease. What is the agreement? As per sublease agreement, minimum rent is 750 and royalty is 60 paise and right to recover short working during first 2 years from the date of sublease. So only first 2 years from the date of sublease. So 2012 output is 1120 into 60 paise. So 672, minimum rent is 750. Second year 1600 into 60 paise, 960 is royalty, 750 is minimum rent. Last year 1920 into 0.60, 1152. So 750 is minimum rent. Let me concentrate year after year. First year there is short working. It can be carried forward till next year because what is given in the problem is first 2 years from the date of sublease. Date of sublease is 1st January 2012. First 2 years means ends on 31st December 2013. So 78 is minimum, short working carried forward to next year. Amount payable is equal to minimum rent. Very next year there is excess to the extent of 210. We can recoup short working of last year, that is 78. So excess after recoupment 210 minus 78 belongs to what is that, lesser, that should be recorded in last but one column 132. Amount payable is minimum rent plus 132, so that is 882. Last year again minimum rent is less than the royalty, means royalty is more than the minimum rent. There is excess. Excess cannot be used because recoupment right gets stopped. At the same time, there is no short working also. Even if there is short working, we cannot recoup because recoupment can be done only for first 2 years. So excess is 402. This excess belongs to equity shareholder. So sorry, not equity shareholder, lesser. So this excess should be recorded in last but one column 402. So amount payable is 750 plus 402, totally 1152. So this is how to prepare a royalty receivable chart, that is chart relating to sublease. What they ask is we have to prepare past entries in the books of Mohan and we have to prepare accounts in the books of Prakash. Let me prepare past entries in the books of Mohan. Mohan means we should concentrate on first chart, royalty payable chart. We just look at first 3 years. All 3 year situations are equal to second situation. So by looking at this table, we have to pass first due entry, lessee's account data, that is Asha's account data, to royalty receivable to short working allowable 1120. Amount will be received from Asha, bank account data to Asha's account 2000. So then royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. As far as short working account is concerned, it should be carried forward because we have 4 years to recoup. In 2012, same 3 entries will get repeated. Asha's account data to royalty receivable, short working allowable. So 2000, 1408, 592. So bank account data to Asha's account 2000, royalty receivable account data to profit and loss account 1408. So then during 2013, again same situation, Asha's account data to royalty receivable to short working allowable 2000, 1840, 160. So then bank account debtor to Asha's account 2000. So royalty receivable account should be transferred to profit and loss account. As far as short working is concerned, it can be carried forward to one more year. So that's why it will not come. Carry forward will not be recorded in the entries. So royalty receivable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Then fourth year we are in. So fourth year situation is entirely different. What is fourth year situation? There is excess. Excess is used to recoup and irrecoverable short working is transferred to profit and loss account. So journal entry for fourth year, Asha's account data to the extent of 2000, that is minimum rent. Short working allowable account 48, that was allowed to recover by to royalty receivable 2048. So then he'll get amount from Asha, journal entry bank account data to Asha's account 2000. So then irrecoverable short working should be transferred to profit and loss account. It is profit to the lessor, but to the lessee it is loss. As it is profit to the lessor, that is Mohan, we are transferring it to profit and loss account. Short working account data to profit and loss account because it is profit, not loss. So to the lessor. Then royalty receivable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So 2048. So this is how to pass entries in the books of main lessor. Now they asked to prepare accounts in the books of sublessee. When we have to prepare accounts, we should concentrate on royalty receivable chart. First situation is exactly equal to second situation. Second year, first year. Then second year situation is equal to fourth situation. Fifth year situation is, third year situation is fifth situation. So second, fourth and fifth situation we should implement. So we have to prepare necessary accounts in the books of Prakash, that is sublessee. Who is lessor to the Prakash? Asha. So Asha limited account, royalty payable account and short working account. So first year situation is second situation, journal entry royalty receivable account, short working allowable account, debtor to Asha's account. So totally 750. So then Asha will make the payment. Asha's account debtor to to Asha amount will be paid. Asha's account debtor to cash account 750. So account get closes. As far as royalty is concerned, on debit side royalty payable account debtor to Asha's account 672. As far as short working is concerned, short working account debtor to Asha's account 78. Royalty account is closed by transferring it to profit and loss account as by profit and loss account. But short working account can be carried forward to one more year because first 2 years of recovery. So by balance carried down 78 rupees and next year 2 balance brought down 78. So second year situation is entirely different where there is recoupment. So journal entry, it is profitable to the lessee but loss to the lessor. So now we are analyzing from the point of view of lessee. Journal entry royalty payable account data to Asha's account, that is lessor account 882, to short working allowable account 78. So royalty payable account data to Asha's account to short working. In Asha's account by royalty payable 882. In short working account by royalty payable 78. So that short working account get closes. Royalty account we have to close it by transferring it to profit and loss account. And Prakash's account should be closed by transferring it to bank account. So last year situation, you just look at the situation where there is excess. Excess is not used to make the recoup the short working because it get closed. So last year royalty payable account debtor to Asha's account 1150. In Asha's account we have to write it as by royalty payable. In royalty payable you have to write it as to Asha 1152. So royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Asha will make to Asha payment will be made. Asha's account debtor to bank account 1152. There is no question of what is that short working because short working already get closed. So this is all about how to prepare accounts in the books of sublessee. In the books of sublessee, not sublessor. We have not prepared in the books of Asha, we have prepared in the books of Prakash. So this is all about additional problem. 2 more problems we will discuss particularly in 9th and 10th session. Till that, take care. Thank you.